One of the biggest misconceptions today in the automotive industry, all brake pads are created equal. Sadly, that is not the case. As a TechNet member, we install only quality CarQuest brake pads. But even they come in 3 different styles: standard, premium, and platinum. And today we're going to talk about the difference and what it means to you and why it's important. So let's start with the standard pad. So the standard brake pads are generally made from friction material that is semi-metallic. As an installer, this is how they come. Just in a box, no clips, no anti-seize, just the actual brake pad. This is what a lot of shops will do a pad slap with. If you are selling a vehicle, quite often this is the way to go to install these pads. These are the get you by pad. You're not going to get a whole long life out of these brake pads. Maximum likely a year, maybe 2 if you're lucky, depending on your braking style and the weight of the vehicle and the style of the vehicle. But they are a good pad, but they are not the best pad. They will get the job done, but they will likely be noisy and give you brake dust while they do it. If you need to just get by, these will do the trick, but it's not something that we recommend installing, and we don't install here at our shop unless specifically requested by the client. So now let's step up to the CarQuest Premium brand, which, as you can see from the box, it's packaged a little different, comes with clips, and that makes a difference. These anti-rattle clips are important when doing a brake job because they do wear and rust, especially here in southwestern Ontario. Quite often they will break when you're trying to do a brake job, so getting them in the box with the new pads is obviously helpful. The brake pad material in these pads is generally a higher quality, designed for better heat handling, less noise, less dust, and more consistent braking efficiency. And you can feel the difference in density and build quality of the brake pad, including the backing design is more chamfered and just generally a better brake pad for that noise reduction that we already talked about. The premium pad is what most drivers should be using because it gives a nice balance between cost and performance. And now we're into the Platinum brake pad by CarQuest. This pad is patented. It has the 4-layer hex shim to deal with noise. You notice that these are black coated shim versus the stainless steel standard. These exceed the OEM manufacturer's specifications on most vehicles. These pads are typically made from high-end ceramic materials. They come with a built-in break-in residue on the brake pad, and of course have the back dampener to prevent noise as well. Very low noise, minimal brake dust, longer lifespan, and smooth, consistent braking. These pads are designed for comfort, longevity, and performance, and it's the ones that we recommend our clients that are planning on keeping their vehicles for more than 2 years invest in. So when your dealership or service center offers you a good, better, best option, know that there is a difference. You do get what you pay for in the case when it comes to brake pads, because not all brake pads are created equal. Better materials, better engineering, and better driving experience. You're not just buying brake pads, you're buying how your vehicle feels every time it stops. And truthfully, the cheapest option is usually more expensive in the long run. If you're driving every day in stop and go traffic, have a newer vehicle that you're planning on keeping for a few years, or just care about how your vehicle feels, you're going to notice the difference every single stop. So no, brake pads are not created equal. And the next time someone tries to tell you that they are, just know they're wrong. If you have any questions about what's right for your vehicle, that's what we're here for. Just go to urbanautomotive.ca, click the Ask Mike link, and fire me your question. Be happy to answer it on an upcoming podcast. Here at Urban Automotive, you ought to know it's safety first. Thanks for watching.